Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the original, the authentic, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. I have no internet. My free Android phone died, my Medicare phone. Completely won't charge. It won't hold a charge. And I put all my phone numbers in it, and the one my friend sent me, I couldn't find it. It was on top of the refrigerator. So I had to spend $32 for a new phone and $10 roughly to Xfinity to have Wi-Fi for a day. So now I have no internet until I go to T-Mobile tomorrow, pay the internet, find out why they cut me off. They didn't send me an email. They didn't send me a bill, nothing. It just, boom, cut off. So I got to go back to the store. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing. Here's another item. I thank the person who sent it. And this is I've been having trouble with my stomach lately. So this is a packet of Prilosec, which I really need. So that's this one. So if you want to donate to the channel to help support my efforts, the PayPal email address is falkie2013@gmail.com, FALKIE2013@gmail. My mailing address is George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California, 94553. So I probably won't be up till tomorrow night. I had planned to do live videos this weekend, and Saturday night, they cut me off. And I don't even know if a stimulus check has come today. I doubt it. It did not come Friday. It did not come Saturday. Kathy got hers on Wednesday. So there is the Prilosec. If you've ever wondered what a package of Prilosec looked like, that's if you have acid reflux, heartburn, stuff like that. So I will open one up here. I've never seen Prilosec before. This is the generic stuff, and I had an argument with the doctor saying the prescription stuff was not the same formulation. I got told that by the company. We had a big argument about it a long time ago, about 4 doctors ago. All right, I'll take that in a minute. I get some water. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.